YouTube videos are the best because year after year, they can still get you more views. Let me show you what I mean. Coming up to 6 years, this video keeps getting views day after day. This YouTube Shorts was slow to take off, but the views are now climbing every day. And this video on Facebook has been climbing steady from day one. So the reason I love YouTube videos the most is we go to the time and effort to record them once, we upload them to our channel, and the views can continue day after day, week after week, even year after year, like I just showed you in those three examples. Now, of course, on the other platforms, yes, videos do get lots and lots of views and sometimes way more views, but sometimes they're here today and gone tomorrow. Now, the thing about YouTube is it's a giant database and a search engine. It's the platform that we all go to find specific topic, utilizing the search function that YouTube is. Now, remembering YouTube is also owned by Google. So if you're going to Google and looking for a particular search, you might find one of these popular videos that have been done years and years ago, and they still get views today. They still get subscribers to my channel, and I still earn advertising revenue from them. But let's dive into those three particular examples I show you for a more in-depth look on those three. So this video on what is LinkedIn and how does it work, it was first published in 2019. So we're coming up to 6 years ago, and it has had a steady climb and still climbing to this day as well. So we're coming up to 6 years, 175,000 views, 10,000 watch hours, resulted in 3,000 subscribers, and it's earned me a very good $1,500 in advertising revenue. Now, advertising revenue for me is just a bonus, but you can see over here on the right, YouTube search and external searches, which most of them would be Google. So you're probably 85% of all views on this particular video are coming by Google and YouTube search. And this is a really good example because do the work once, record the video, upload it, and people are still searching for this video today, coming up to 6 years. How are we? Let's have a look. 5 years and 366 days. And I'm guessing it will probably go on and on and on. So this is a particular good example, but let me show you this other example. This particular video has been going for how long? Let's have a look. We're coming up to nearly 12 months, so about 10 months. This is a YouTube short. So YouTube shorts are really popular now. They're taking on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok videos, that type of thing. But again, you can see over here, YouTube search 71%. This is the people who are finding this video via YouTube search and external, and most of those external views are always Google. 70, 71, 81, 85, 86% again. Now, this is a good example in its own right. Now, it's only, yes, given me 5,000 views, only a few subscribers, and YouTube Shorts don't earn you too much money. But what I want to highlight here is after 160 odd days, so 5 months or so, it had barely got any views at all. But you can see since then, it just goes and goes and goes. And fingers crossed it continues to perform ongoing as well. So the third example was this particular video on how to add a second admin to your Facebook business page, December 2021. So we're coming up to 4 years. Now, it hasn't had the views and the trajectory of the other ones. 12,000 views, only a handful of subscribers. The advertising revenue is not there. But again, steady climb. We can see, let's have a look after 1 year, where are we? 2,500 views. And it's just continued after that. So 4 years later, so it's probably getting about 2,500 views a year, which I know is not many, but again, I did this work once. There's a bit of a spike here where people are sort of rewinding and watching again, wanting to learn specifically about this, how to add a second admin to your Facebook page. So there are three examples that, two long form, one short form. This one took a while to go off. This one just continues to rise and has given me great revenue. This one's sort of in between, but that's why I love YouTube videos and the YouTube platform so much is we go to the time and effort to record and upload the video once, and then views continually go on and on and on. Yes, I do share all of these videos to my other social media platforms. I upload it directly to Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and those type of things. But all of this combines helping my business grow, generate leads for my business and new customers for my business as well. What I want you to do is go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on YouTube videos. Are you a fan of YouTube, or are you more a fan of Instagram, Facebook, TikTok? I'd love to hear some feedbacks. Equally, maybe let me know what your channel is and how that is going as well. While you're watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Tick the bell icon. That way you get uploaded whenever I record and upload a new video just like this. If you're watching it across any of the other socials, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and let me know where you're tuning in from around the world.